Good morning. Hope you're doing well. Got a snowy day today. Monday morning. I'm gonna take it slow. Go up to Skycomish. Get a cup of coffee and a scone. Probably gonna go walk in Paradise Forest. See if there's any footprints or animal prints. I was thinking about going to Wallace Lake today, but that's about 4 miles each way. I don't feel like going that far. So it's a beautiful winter day. Big storm. I'm all geared up. Happy I have good gear. Turn this off. Alrighty, it's after 11 in the morning, and I found a forest road that I don't think I've walked on yet. I was gonna go to Paradise Forest, but there was already car tracks up that forest road, and there wasn't really a safe parking place because of the snow, so I'm gonna walk up here. The snow is really coming down good all day today, so that'll be a pretty day of hiking in the snow. That's the goal today, hiking in the snow. Enjoying my my new raincoat. So yeah, my raincoat's really awesome. It's got these big pockets, down on the sides. So my bear spray fits in my left pocket, and my phone camera fits in my right pocket. So, and this forest road, I didn't see any private property signs, no trespassing. I thought before that it said private road, but I didn't even see that sign, on the bar or anything. So, as you can see, my truck's parked safely across the street, and I'm gonna go see what's in this area. Good times. Nice and warm. Going up. Going up. I don't think I've ever been on this road before, so hopefully I find some beauty. That's pretty. I'm not complaining. The fresh air feels great. Whew, going up. That's looking back. Going up. I got what I wanted, huh? I wanted to walk in the snow, so thanks God. Snowing all day today. And it's safe. I'm not walking in deep snow, which is a relief. Well, I brought a solid walking stick today. Nice alderwood, hardwood. Artistic too, it's pretty. I'm looking forward to springtime, making some more sticks. Get a little warmer, easier for me to put gloss on them. Gloss, it's got to be at least like 50, 60 degrees for it to work well. I thought I heard water, but it might be the power lines. No footprints or animal prints yet. That might change here. Nope, nothing. It's okay, I'll take the solitude. I don't mind having the place to myself. Yeah, these power lines, they crackle. Sound like flowing water. So we know from other videos that I'm just going to run into the railroad here eventually. Ooh, it's crackling. an option. I could take a right and walk down this forest road, but that's with the crackling power lines, so that's not really fun. I like hearing the sounds of nature. I don't like hearing the power lines so much. So this is looking back. What a glorious day, huh? Well, there's looking back. The power lines are right there. I took off my glasses and put them in a center pocket on my jacket. Super awesome. You know, it's like an inside zipper pocket. It's great to be able to put stuff in your pockets. It's a really awesome jacket. Viking hooded. 90 bucks. So, I thought the railroad was going to be up here, so we'll see. Looks like I'm getting into some other forest, so hopefully this gets really awesome. I'll soon find out. I just heard some branches break in there, so must be an animal walking. I don't have any quick dry shirts. They're all in the laundry, so I'm wearing a cotton shirt and a Pendleton and my raincoat, so I could actually take off the Pendleton. Kind of warm. It's alright. Having fun yet? It's nature. Woohoo! I'm having fun. I ate a delicious breakfast sandwich at the bakery. I'm kind of full. Look at that beautiful forest with the snow coming down. Ooh, that's beautiful. Yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. Couldn't be happier. Man, look at this. Awesome. Is that the right word? Not really. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Gosh. Look at that. Look at that tree with all the snow on it. Like a Christmas tree. Beautiful. See, the snow's just coming down. Awesome. Awesome. There I go again. Awesome. Huh? That's not the right word. Look at this. This is good. This is good. This is fun. To be continued. Well, I took off my Pendleton, so that's good. Put it in my backpack, which has a rain cover on it. Alright, I'll continue on here. This is incredible. The snow's coming down big time now. This is exactly what I wanted. Yeah. Wonderful. These pants are really awesome too. They're kind of like waterproof. They're kind of warm. And they have lots of pockets too. Like down there, that's a pocket down there. Deep pockets all around. It's really awesome. It's great to have pockets where I can put things, not have things fall out of the pockets. Strong zippers are essential. Ooh, look at this. Doesn't get any better than this. Wow. Yeah. Wow. It's not too deep either, so nothing crazy. Just fun. Nice and safe. Just the way I like it. Oh, it looks like it's the end of the fun here, folks. This goes left. Let's see. Hope it's not the end of the fun. Hope this goes on and on and on. I wonder if the railroad is up here. Oh, let's see. Got a water hazard here. Kind of, sort of. I don't really feel like walking through with my leather boots on. I can walk on the side. And it's really snowing. Alright, so that's where I came from. I could go left. I'm trying to go straight. Looks like I'm at the end of the road. End of the forest path. Huh. Yep. I'm at the end. Yeah, that's pretty. Gosh. This is what they call a winter wonderland, right? Everything's covered with snow. Alright, I guess I could call it a day and go somewhere else, huh? Well, let's see. The old ego. I can't rid myself of self. Alright, don't want to go down there. Could. Alright, might as well. There's power lines. It might be just another forest road down to the highway. And then I could walk on the highway. Alright, I guess I'll try to do that. Back. Looks like we got some footprints since the snow fell. I don't know, you tell me. Would those be here? Possibly. Looks like a footprint to me. Not a big deal. So there's no guarantees of there being a forest road. So, who knows? I feel good physically, mentally, etc., etc. So let's see what's going on here. It's another power line. Oh man. Yep. There is no forest road, sir. Nice try. Oops. Okay. So, okay. Tried. No luck on that, huh? All right. What to do, sir? What to do? Let's see. I'll figure something out. I'm walking down. There's another print. Like, it's the strangest thing because there's only one. It's like, alright. Paranormal. Interdimensional, sir. Well, you know, I study the Bible, heaven and the Bible, and talk about interdimensional. Well, angels and God, they're interdimensional because we can't see them, but they're here. See? Same like Sasquatch, they are invisible sometimes. So, as a side note, I don't think there's any Bigfoots or alien greys in heaven. So I'm going to have to ask God about that if it's really that important to me. I'm kind of curious as to about, the origin of these beings, but when you get to heaven, it's like not really a big deal. You just go forward, All right, enough of that conversation, huh? I guess I'm gonna go back the same way I came. Do a little selfie. So that was a little detour, huh? So that was pretty awesome, seeing those footprints. I always like seeing stuff like that. And so a little gear update is my socks are dry, so it's good. Yeah, the raincoats, I don't know if it's my shirt sweating a little bit, but raincoat's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Wasn't too painful. So just a recommendation, if you're doing this, if you walk in the snow like that and you get out of the snow, take your backpack off and shake all the snow off your rain cover. You don't want all that snow melting, you know. Water finds its way everywhere, right? So, just some advice. I think I want to go check out another forest today. I don't think I'm done yet. Let's see how the parking is. Got to find a safe parking spot for Paradise Forest. Well, Highway 2 is not plowed. So I don't know what's going to happen as far as finding a safe place to park. Okay, I think I'm done for the day. It was heavy snow up there on the mountain. And yeah, just as a side note, one of the things that God says to do is store up for yourselves treasures in heaven. So we do that before we get to heaven. So I'm going to give you an example. Just by picking up this trash, God's going to bless me. That's just how simple it is. Because, like I said, we get like mansions in heaven. I mean, it's serious. And all kinds of stuff. So just a simple act of picking up some trash that counts in your favor. That's pretty, huh? All right, y'all take care. I'm probably gonna hike the next couple days too. I don't see why not. Life decisions here. My favorite hobby. This is pretty, huh?